Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's another episode of Fix This Truck. Here's my 1986 GMC. I don't know, I just say Chevy C10. Same thing, it's just the GMC version. But Chevy C10, got a bolt-ons engine, everything that you could possibly bolt on and put. It's in there. Had this truck for a few years now, and I gotta take that off. I was testing for spark. I wasn't getting spark for some reason, and yeah, this engine's gonna come out. I can't figure it out, and so I'm looking to put something else in. I'm hoping that I can strike a deal on one of these big blocks that it's on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna make this video about taking it out. I guess got solid motor mounts. So I'm having a starter issue. Let's see the starter right there. I have a high torque mini starter on it right now. For some reason, no matter, that's my fourth starter I've tried on this thing, and they just will not work. No starter works. Now I can use, like, I don't know how many, look at these. I can use all the shims in the world. Either it won't touch the flex plate, or it'll get stuck in the flex plate. And only twice I had to severely cant it. Only twice did it not get stuck. And then after that, for some reason, it just stopped touching the flex plate. So I'm guessing the starter probably moved a little bit, and I can't get it back in whatever spot that was. And I don't know if like the block was like line honed or whatever they call it, where they cut some material off. But or I mean, it could potentially be the flex plate. The flex plate is the one that was on the engine when I got it. I bought it, obviously. I bought it off a dude on Facebook Marketplace, and everything was good with it. And it didn't come with the starter, but it came with the flex plate. The flex plate wasn't cracked. Engine I pulled out of here, the flex plate on that was cracked. So I checked this one, and I made sure this one wasn't cracked before I put it in. The flex plate was good. No teeth were missing. No teeth were fucked up. Nothing. So I couldn't figure out. I still can't figure out why this flex plate or the mounting pad, something is messed up. This is the fourth starter I've tried. Something's messed up. So this engine is coming out, and I'm either gonna get another small block and just take the parts off of this and put it on that one, or I'm just going for a big block and I'll sell this one. But yeah, I can't figure it out, and I'm not I don't have the patience to keep trying. But yeah, I mean, this is the journey on this truck. I'm gonna make it look more presentable. Yeah, this is the journey on this truck. I'm going to come on. Going to go ahead and start pulling this thing out. Don't pay attention to that side engine mount. I had to make something work. Had to finagle it. But yeah, well, I guess I'll start unbolting some stuff, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Got some progress done. Put the radiator. I took a couple of ground straps apart, and I was just admiring it. I was like, oh, it looks freaking beautiful. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna start unbolting the motor mounts, fuel pump. The headers never got exhaust connected, so I'm gonna try to pull all that out together as one. I don't want to unbolt them. I don't remember if I got my ground straps in the back. I'm sure I probably got at least one. But yeah, it's coming along. All right, got everything unbolted. Got it bolted from the flex plate, and the transmission, I got all the bolts out. It's literally just up there. I don't know why I took the drive shaft out. I took the drive shaft out in case I had to, I don't know. I didn't think about it. I wasn't pulling the transmission, so it didn't matter, but yeah. Everything is Let's see if I can see. These are piston rings, and back there, let me see if a piston's supposed to be there. It's the cylinder wall. It's like half of it. The other half right here. So, oh yeah, there goes some more of the piston right there. But everything else looked good. It's just that one.